Welcome to this general knowledge quiz video. Question 1. What is the chemical symbol for the element potassium? Is it A, P, B, K, C, PT, or D, PO? The correct answer is B, K. The symbol K comes from the Neo-Latin name kalium. Potassium is a highly reactive silvery white metal that is essential for all living cells. Question 2. Who is credited as the author of the ancient Greek epic poem, the Odyssey? A. Virgil, B. Homer, C. Sophocles, or D. Ovid? The correct answer is B. Homer. Along with the Iliad, the Odyssey is one of the foundational works of Western literature, traditionally attributed to the legendary ancient Greek author Homer. Question 3. What is the capital city of Brazil? A. Rio de Janeiro, B. Sao Paulo, C. Brasilia, or D. Salvador? The correct answer is C. Brasilia. While Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo are more famous, the planned city of Brasilia was inaugurated as the nation's capital in 1960 to encourage development in the interior. Question 4. In what year did the Apollo 11 mission successfully land the first humans on the moon? A. 1965, B. 1969, C. 1971, or D. 1973? The correct answer is B. 1969. On July 20th, 1969, American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the lunar surface during the Apollo 11 mission. Question 5. Which of the following is the largest organ of the human body? A. Heart, B. Liver, C. Skin, or D. Brain? The correct answer is C. Skin. The skin is the body's largest organ, accounting for about 15% of a person's total body weight. It acts as a crucial barrier protecting internal tissues. Question 6. Which planet in our solar system is often referred to as the morning star or evening star? A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Jupiter, or D. Mercury? The correct answer is B. Venus. Because it is closer to the Sun than Earth, Venus appears always close to the Sun in the sky, making it visible primarily just before sunrise or just after sunset. Question 7. Who painted the famous post-impressionist masterpiece, The Starry Night? A. Claude Monet, B. Vincent van Gogh, C. Salvador Dali, or D. Pablo Picasso? The correct answer is B. Vincent van Gogh. Van Gogh painted The Starry Night in 1889 while in an asylum in southern France. It is celebrated for its swirling, expressive skies and striking colors. Question 8. Which country holds the record for having the longest coastline in the world? A. Australia, B. Russia, C. Canada, or D. United States? The correct answer is C. Canada. Bordered by 3 oceans, the Atlantic, Pacific, and Arctic, Canada boasts a highly irregular coastline that stretches for over 243,000 kilometers, the longest globally. Question 9. The Komodo dragon, the largest living species of its kind, is a type of what? A. Alligator, B. Snake, C. Lizard, or D. Amphibian? The correct answer is C. Lizard. Native to a few Indonesian islands, the Komodo dragon is a massive monitor lizard that can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh over 150 pounds. Is C. Lizard. Native to Indonesian islands, this massive monitor lizard can grow up to 10 feet long. Question 10. In Norse mythology, who is the powerful hammer-wielding god of thunder? A. Loki, B. Odin, C. Tyr, or D. Thor? The correct answer is D. Thor. Thor is a prominent god in Germanic mythology, associated with lightning, thunder, storms, and strength. He famously wields the magical hammer Mjolnir. Question 11. How many keys are there on a standard modern acoustic piano? A. 66, B. 76, C. 88, or D. 96? The correct answer is C. 88. A standard modern piano has 88 keys, which consists of 52 white keys and 36 black keys, spanning 7 octaves plus a minor third. Question 12. Who is credited with discovering penicillin, the world's first broadly effective antibiotic? A. Marie Curie, B. Alexander Fleming, C. Louis Pasteur, or D. Isaac Newton? The correct answer is B. Alexander Fleming. Scottish researcher Alexander Fleming accidentally discovered penicillin in 1928 when he noticed a mold destroying bacteria in a petri dish in his laboratory. Question 13. Which of the ancient 7 wonders of the world is the only one still largely intact today? A. Hanging Gardens of Babylon, B. Colossus of Rhodes, C. Lighthouse of Alexandria, or D. Great Pyramid of Giza? The correct answer is D. Great Pyramid of Giza. Built as a tomb for the Egyptian pharaoh Khufu, the Great Pyramid of Giza is the oldest of the ancient wonders and the only one still largely in existence. Question 14. What is the primary ingredient used to make traditional Japanese miso paste? A. Tofu, B. Seaweed, C. Fermented soybeans, or D. Fish broth? The correct answer is C. Fermented soybeans. Miso is a traditional Japanese seasoning produced by fermenting soybeans with salt and a fungus called koji, forming a thick paste used for sauces and soups. Question 15. In which modern-day country would you find the ancient rock-cut city of Petra? A. Egypt, B. Jordan, C. Greece, or D. Turkey? The correct answer is B. Jordan. Famous for its rock-cut architecture and water conduit system, Petra is a historical and archaeological city in southern Jordan, often called the Rose City.
Question 16. Which film holds the title as the first ever full-length traditional animated feature? A. Pinocchio, B. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, C. Dumbo, or D. Bambi?
The correct answer is B. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Released by Walt Disney Productions in 1937, it was a massive critical and commercial success, pioneering the feature-length animated film industry. Question 17. In Albert Einstein's famous equation E equals mc squared, what does the letter C stand for? A. Charge, B. Constant, C. Carbon, or D. Speed of light?
The correct answer is D. Speed of light. In the mass-energy equivalence formula, E is energy, m is mass, and C represents the speed of light in a vacuum squared.
Question 18. Which famous marsupial is featured prominently on the coat of arms of Australia? A. Koala, B. Dingo, C. Kangaroo, or D. Platypus? The correct answer is C. Kangaroo. The kangaroo, along with the emu, features on the Australian coat of arms. They were chosen to symbolize a nation moving forward, based on the belief that neither animal can easily move backwards. Question 19. Who is widely considered the father of the computer for originating the concept of a programmable machine? A. Alan Turing, B. Bill Gates, C. Steve Jobs, or D. Charles Babbage? The correct answer is D. Charles Babbage. An English polymath, mathematician, and mechanical engineer, Charles Babbage invented the first mechanical computer concepts, the difference engine and the analytical engine. Question 20. And our final question. How many interlocking rings make up the iconic Olympic symbol? A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, or D. 7? The correct answer is B. 5. The Olympic rings consist of 5 interlocking rings colored blue, yellow, black, green, and red on a white field, representing the union of the 5 inhabited continents. And that brings us to the end of our quiz. Take a moment to tally up your score. How did you do out of 20 this time? Let us know, and thanks for playing along.